Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be crocheting small flowers for beginners, but first I would like to introduce myself. My name is Akia and I'm designer of iconic trends. So let's get started. Start off with a magic circle and then chain 2. Now place a half double crochet into the center of the ring. Chain 2. Now place a slip stitch in the middle of the circle. Then chain 2. Now place a half double crochet into the center of the circle. Then chain 2. Make a slip stitch into the center of the circle. Chain 2. Now we are just going to keep repeating that pattern 3 more times to have a total of 5 petals. For the last petal, we will just slip stitch into the center of the ring, and then we are going to chain. Cut your yarn and pull it through. Now we are just going to tighten the center of the circle by pulling on that first strand really tight. Now you would just weave in the ends. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please subscribe and like this video. I'm going to be posting new videos every day. Thank you for watching.